Bhubaneswar, the capital city of Odisha, is one of the beautiful cities in country, known for its wonderful architectural wonders that are in the form of temples and shrines. However, the fast growth of population in the city has changed the geographical scenario of the place, which shows the mixture of Eastern and Western culture together in the city, with luxurious apartments, mall, amusement centers, parks, food outlets with myriad of prehistoric temples, monuments, museums and different other wonderful attractions in and around Bhubaneswar. Lots of national level institutes like IIT, IIIT, XIMB, NISER and AIIMS have already established in the city, and some are in the queue. And further, the companies like Infosys, TCS and Wipro has chosen Bhubaneswar as their centers for the East. The report also highlights the potential of the two cities of Bhubaneswar and Cuttack developing into a 720 square kilometer integrated urban conglomeration including Khordha, Jatni and Chaudhwar within the city precinct. In this scenario, everybody dreams to be a part of this growth. Your dream will be embodied in reality with TR Infra. The company has initially started as a partnership firm in 2006 and subsequently in 2010 incorporated as a private limited company which is associated with construction and real estates for the last 8 years, having 4 completed projects and 5 ongoing projects to their credentials, offers duplex, flats and plots in various areas. An ongoing project includes plotted scheme named and styled as Shri Residency at Satyabhamapur and 100-acre city near IIT campus, Argul, Khordha. This area is upcoming with various projects like SEZ, Special Economy Zone of ITCO for various multinational companies to set up their industries, and also proposed international airport, Malipada, flats and duplex at Bhargavi Greens, Satyabhamapur, and flats at Subhalakshmi Asiana Homes at IIT Malipada. TR Infra presents its dream budget housing project in the name of Bhargavi Greens. Locational advantages: 1.5 kilometers from Cuttack Puri Bypass Road or Shirdi Sai Temple, about 5 kilometers from Kalpana Square and Shri Hospital, Lewis Road, about 5 kilometers from Ravi Talkie Square and 7 kilometers from Municipality Hospital, about 8.5 kilometers from High Tech Hospital, about 8.5 kilometers from Biju Patnaik Airport, Bhubaneswar, and about 8 kilometers from Bhubaneswar Railway Station. Bhargavi Greens. Bhubaneswar is located in the stone throw distance from the busy city life, with an opportunity to experience luxury life after the busy schedule. Bhubaneswar city life is going fast day by day. This Google map elaborately clarifies the well connectivity of the project Bhargavi Greens with the upcoming 100 feet Puri Paradeep Highway and growing township and the 40 feet wide road connectivity to the project. TR Infra presents its dream budget housing project in the name of Bhargavi Greens, offering 30 numbers of 2 BHK flats and 41 numbers of duplex. The greenery and the serene breeze, the tranquility gives you heavenly feeling. The exotic and cozy duplex houses with the most modern amenities from your recreation make you feel contented. Taking a stroll in the plush green gardens helps you unwind yourself after a stressful day. The stunning view of the sunrise in the east, the calmness caressing your face, the moonlight flooding your balcony, we have everything for you at Bhargavi Greens. Just experience your living style in Bhargavi Greens. We have designed your thoughts into reality. Bhargavi Greens. A name speaks about peaceful living in the lap of nature. Bhargavi Green possesses the expertise, versatility and insight required to materialize your conception of an aesthetically balanced home space. After all, we understand that your home is an extension of your family's personality and beliefs. The design is based on the present changing way of life. Designing a Vastu compliant design is an attempt towards finding visual Vastu interior designing options, which are an easy combination of modern way of life and ancient Vastu internal style concepts. The bedroom interior designing services are highly appreciated and demanded for its beautiful and eye-pleasing designs, ideal for relaxing and cozy ambience. Bhargavi Green provides very comfortable and highly functional bedroom interior designs to enjoy and feel comfortable while you are inside the bedroom.